Hey everybody, it's Bishop Barron. I'm here in one of the great places in the whole world, one of my favorite places, St. Peter's Square. I always think that if you stand here for about 10 minutes, you'll see everyone you ever known in the Catholic world. I'm here for the Synod, arrived today, just a little bit jet lagged, and here with the team, the War on Fire team. They'll be providing some background and videos and updates, so follow them. And keep praying for us. You know, the Synod begins officially on Wednesday with a Mass with the Pope, and then we start business on Thursday. And it's a whole month. It's 4 weeks of dialogue and conversation around this issue of reaching out to young people. So it's an important moment in the life of the church. Thrilled to be here, honored to be here, and support us please in prayer. And God bless you.